everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner and thank you for joining me today for a Trendsend unboxing. I am so glad that you have tuned into my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to subscribe and hit that bell. You will be notified every single time I upload a video, and I sure would like for you to join us here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Let's talk about Trendsend. Trendsend is a style subscription service that is done by the Evereve store. I don't have an Evereve store in my city, so this is a great way for me to just try before I buy the Evereve products, and they have some fabulous collection. With Trendsend, there is no styling fee. Yeah, bonus, I really like that. A different stylist every month puts together a box for me with 3 outfits, and I've never kept an entire box. In fact, I don't really know if I've ever even kept a whole outfit, but I have kept pieces, and I really enjoy lots of the pieces in Trendsend. I have a referral link below. If you click on that link, you can get everything you need to know about Trendsend, and if you use my referral link, that offers me a little credit. And in this box today, I have some credit. This box will be 20% off anything I choose to keep. Thank you to the ladies that have used my referral link. It means the world to me. It really makes these clothes very affordable. Okay, this is what the box looks like. And first up, I see an envelope. Do all things in love. I can get behind that slogan. But there's something on here that says, see stylist note. So, attention, attention, see stylist note. I'm going to look at it right away. So, there doesn't seem to be anything in the stylist note that commands my attention. She does give me outfit ideas and tells me how to wear these outfits. There's also a price sheet in here. And we have a return mailer, and postage is free with Trendsend. Isn't that great? No styling fee, free postage, and you can request sale items. So let's look and see what's inside. I see some jewelry here. So we'll open that up. But this is the first bundle, and it looks like it's been sealed twice. It says, outdream yourself. Let's open this up. This is a crepe-like polyester fabric. It's black, which I don't normally care for, but, oh, it's a jumpsuit. A jumpsuit with spaghetti straps. And this zips up the back. This is really a pretty fabric. It's got the big wide legs, and it feels like there is a liner. Yes, there is a full liner all the way to the bottom in there. So that would be nice, because this crepey fabric is not the most comfortable against your skin. The straps concern me. This isn't my favorite because I like bra-friendly clothing, and this is definitely strapless bra. So you know what? The tags are normally on. Yes, this is $78. Oh, wow. This is really cool. This is a necklace with this is kind of a brass colored gold necklace. Ring we're always reaching for. I'm reaching for one right now. So this is kind of a nice symbolic necklace. And the necklace is $28. So, okay, that is bundle number 1. Moving on to bundle number 2. It says, choose kind over cool. Absolutely. Oh, here's a color. Looks kind of like the color I'm wearing right now. This is by Allison Joy, and this is a tank. Yeah, it's a tank. It is $48 for this tank. Doesn't this look a lot like the Whisper tank I tried from Nordstrom that is $18.50? The price tag on this is kind of bothering me a little bit, but I love the color of it. Next up, we have, this is very interesting, this is $78. It feels like a handkerchief. It is so light in weight. This is by Raga, and isn't this cute though? It is just a unfinished, look at the unfinished neckline there, and the hemline as well. Now it's all reinforced, you can see that, so it's not going to come unraveled. Oh, I love that stitching around the collar. Can you see that fluorescent stitching? That's awesome. And oh, it's got the stitching down the front of it as well. So this is really an unusual piece. It's super, super lightweight. Like it's a cotton fabric that feels kind of like a sheet that's been washed. So that's what this is feeling like to me. From the cloth, this is a brand that I like and enjoy. And these are the Connie Ankle Skinny. And they have just a teeny tiny bit of distressing, so that kind of makes me happy. I'm kind of over the whole holes everywhere on everything. So this is a nice dark wash. I've been enjoying darker washes right now. So they do have, oh, they have that cute little step hem there. Like that detail on the hem. So these look very, very promising. Let's get into the last bundle. Say yes to new adventures. Oh my gosh, this box feels so prophetic. Okay, first thing we have, I see the A, that's Articles of Society, and these are $68. Articles of Society, what kind are they? It doesn't say, but okay, these are, we have a little cuff on the bottom, and do we have any distressing? No distressing. I'm glad that they sent me a couple options in denim because I really appreciate my denim. Next we have, this is by Z Supply, and a black and white. Is that a V? Yes, it's a V-neck tee. And this is $38. This feels like 100% cotton. It feels awesome. You know, I don't have anything like this. I have a lot of stripes, but not this one in particular. And then we have, this is Sanctuary, and oh, this is a jacket. So this looks a little military, a little cargo looking with those big pockets. We have a little sleeve detail, and then that unfinished ruffle right there, and this feels really, really soft. So I like that. Do we have, okay, there's a drawstring so that can cinch at the waist. Let's look at the inside and see if this is lined at all. Nope. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great. So this is just a really lightweight jacket, and let's look at the price. Wow, this is $139. I have a 20% discount, so that's good. Because I like the way this looks, but I don't like this price tag. Let's try it all on. This is the jumpsuit by Allison Joy, and I really kind of like this now that I have it on. It has pockets, very deep pockets, and we ladies like our pockets, don't we? So this is what it looks like. It's not a very good fit right through here. Even in the back, there's a little gapping back there. It zips up the back. But this is not a very good fit, unfortunately. That lining feels very soft, and this would be a very easy wear jumpsuit. I'm not even minding the spaghetti straps so bad. They're not adjustable, but this is a great length for me. It's this part that needs to be fixed. This necklace is very pretty. Very pretty. This outfit is the Peyton Jensen t-shirt and the Connie skinny jeans by Cut From The Cloth, and I'm still wearing the necklace. I think it looks really nice on a solid colored top. What do you think? The necklace is growing on me, actually. Now, this top is great. You know I love mustard. I'm really into everything that yellow mustard colored, but it's a little bit longer in the back too, so that's nice. And this slit on the side, this is what it looks like. And it fits nicely in the arms. We have no bra showing. This top is very nice, 100% cotton. Nice top. I like everything about it except the price tag. Oh, okay. Now, these are the Connie skinny jeans. Let me step back. Can you see that detail on the ankle there? You see those mustard shoes? Anyway, I like these. Here's the back of them. And I like these a lot. They feel And cut from the cloth always loosens up as you wear them, but I'm always a little bit nervous when I get pants that fit this tight because I normally wouldn't buy something this tight. And yet if you get a larger size, then they're going to get too large to wear during the day. I don't know what to do. This is the top by Raga, and this is really different and unique. And I like different and unique. I don't know if I like this one. There's a lot of fabric, and it's a beautiful print. I like that, and I love the stitching that is, it's contrasting. It's a fluorescent stitching, so it's unexpected in something like this. So I like that. It looks like it fits. We don't see any bra. And this is what it looks like. I don't know, it's so blousy. I mean, it is not going to do anything for my figure. I have to decide if this blouse is going to be fun to wear, if I would enjoy wearing it, and it does offer some movement. And you know I like movement in my clothing. I think it just makes it extra special. But this is $78, and I get it. There's a lot of workmanship in it. I just don't know if I like it that much. This is the military frill jacket by Sanctuary, and isn't it adorable? So it's got the sleeve detail. And you probably guessed I would like it. I love it. It's got this little cinch here if you want to cinch up the waist, get a more feminine figure there, or you can wear it more boxy like this. This is how it looks when it is open, and that's okay with me too. I kind of like the way that looks. What I don't like about this jacket is it's way too tight in the shoulders. It is tugging, and that's a good thing because I really like this jacket. I am tempted to buy this jacket, and at full price, this is way too much for me. And even with the 20% discount, this is going to be pretty expensive. One of the things I don't like about this jacket is we don't have any pockets for our hands. We only have these pockets, and that's a terrible look. My stylist asked me to pair that jacket with this Z Supply t-shirt and these Articles of Society denim. So that would work. What do you think about this t-shirt? I like the Z Supply t-shirt. I own several. They hold their shapes well, and they wash very well. So I like this. Is it making you dizzy? I don't have the black and white stripe in my collection, so this, you know, could find a place in my closet. Honestly, I don't know if I need it. And then we have that white around the neckline, so that's kind of interesting. I don't know, this is what it looks like. Pretty typical t-shirt. Let me show you these Articles of Society. I think they're okay. Can you see that cuff on them? We have the cuff, and when I uncuffed them, they were okay in length. I like to always check and see. I like when they make the jeans long enough where I have the option. With these, I think they would have to remain cuffed because it was kind of an awkward length. So I'm okay with the cuff. I just don't know if I need them. We have a little bit of extra room in the waistline, which means there would be a lot of this going on through the day. This Trendsend was so much fun. They always are. I love to try on their products, and I am happily surprised by many of them. The military jacket by Sanctuary is an item that I will start to look for on the Evereve website to see if that jacket ever goes on sale, because I would like to own that jacket, but I don't want to pay full price. In fact, I want to pay about half price for that jacket or less. So if anyone sees it out there, hook a girl up. So what I'm thinking about keeping is maybe this tee. Maybe this tee. Is it making you dizzy? I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep the tee. I'm also thinking about the necklace, and I don't need another necklace. I really don't need another necklace. I think it's the symbolism behind this one, just reaching for that brass ring that has me thinking about it. One other item. It is this one by Raga. And this is very, very boho, hippie-like. I know my daughter-in-law is loving this one. It does nothing for my figure, and I am so intrigued by it. My price for this blouse would be $62.40. So tell me what you think about it. I think what's really got me wanting this blouse is that fluorescent thread in it. I mean, just throw something outrageous on a top and I'm in love with it. I don't need it. I like it. I probably need to think about this one. Let me know your thoughts on this blouse, on this t-shirt, on the necklace. Let me know what you thought about this box, if there's any items that you think I need to consider keeping. Thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing, another Trendsend. It has been so much fun. Would you give a girl a thumbs up? I really appreciate it. I can't thank you enough for spending time with me and watching my videos. I will have another one for you 2 days. Another video is coming out all about clothing, so be on the lookout for that. Until then, blessings to you.